Hello, can you listen to
Sir,
me now?
around 8 hours.
About 8 hours. About 8 hours. Okay, now tell me, when do you get up every day? When do you get up every day?
I get up at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I get up at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay, so usually you get up at 6 o'clock and sometimes at 8 o'clock. But why do
Yes,
you
sir.
so late? 2 hours late. Why? It may be usually get up at 6 o'clock, sometime 6:30 or 7, but uh, 8 o'clock, it's too long, too late. Why? Can you tell me? Why do you so late?
Because, sir, I sleep delay sometimes.
Okay, so when do you go to bed? Usually, when do you go to bed?
Sir, usually, sir, 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. And when do you have your supper?
Yes, sir.
When do you have your supper for dinner?
Sir, 8, 8:30 o'clock.
8:30. Okay. So as you have your supper at 8:30 and go to bed 12 o'clock. So how do you pass this
Sir,
time
12
with
or 11. Sometimes
11,
I go to 11.
11 or 12?
Yes,
Okay, so how do you pass
sir.
this time period? How do you pass this period? With the study, watching TV, or how way?
Yes, sir. I study.
Study. Okay. So if you get up at 6 a.m., then how do you start your day? I mean, what do you do?
Some sometimes I get up at 5 o'clock and
Okay, tell me. 5 o'clock, get up 5 o'clock, then
sir আমি স্যার অজু করি স্যার এটা ইংলিশ কি হবে স্যার অজু
okay,
করে
I
নামাজ পড়ি
make ablution. I make ablution. Okay, tell me this way. I make ablution.
I may ablution.
Yes. I make ablution. Okay, so get up at 5 o'clock, then make ablution, then go to mosque or perform your salat at home.
Yes, sir.
At home or go to mosque?
Sir, at home, sir.
At home. Okay. Can you tell me how far the mosque from your home? How far?
Sir, it is not so far.
Okay. So you get up at 5 o'clock, then make ablution, then say your prayer. Then how do you do? What do you do? Then
I finish my prayer, then I study.
study.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after saying prayer, you start your study, and how long do you run it?
Sir,
How long you continue?
1 to sir, 2 to
One,
3 hours.
2, or sometimes 3 hours.
No answer. No, sir. 2 to 3. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3.
Sometimes 2 hours, or sometimes 3 hours too.
3 hours.
Okay. Are you doing any your school homework, assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so usually when do you have your breakfast?
So 8:30.
8:30 you have your breakfast, and again 8:30 you have your supper at night. Okay, so that's good, no problem. And what do you have in your breakfast? Whatever items you eat in your breakfast.
Usually I take bread and eggs with eggs.
Okay,
Sometimes I take rice.
sometimes rice and sometimes bread with eggs. So do you have your breakfast with your family members all together?
Yes, sir.
Have your breakfast with your family members all together? Didn't you understand?
স্যার আপনার কথা স্যার একটু বেজে গেছিল স্যার ভালো করে শোনা যায় না আবার বলতে
Okay. Do you have your breakfast with your family members all together?
Sir, sometimes we take
Alone.
breakfast with family members, but
Sometimes alone. When
I take alone.
okay, so when your father start for office,
Yes, sir.
when does your father start for office?
Sir, 8 to 9 around.
8 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that means almost a office day. You cannot have your breakfast with him. He takes his breakfast earlier. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Are you facing problem understanding my speech?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Facing no problem.
No problem.
Okay. So after having your breakfast, what do you do?
Sir, I go to sleep
Okay, you go to sleep
for
and
1 to 2 hours.
1 to 2 hours you sleep.
2 hours.
Then okay, then do you get up yourself or your mother?
Sir, when I sleep at morning when I get breakfast and I not sleep.
It's not clear. When you take breakfast, you don't sleep.
No, sir. Sometimes take breakfast, I don't go to sleep because I sleep at the morning.
So that means usually you sleep before taking breakfast.
Yes, sir.
So suppose you sleep and have breakfast and at that day, what do you do then?
Yes, sir.
After
Your
having
voice are not clear.
for net problem, you are facing problem with my voice. Do you have any private coaching?
No, sir. But I study a teacher. He teaches in our home.
When does he come? When does he come?
He comes at 9 o'clock.
9 p.m. Oh,
Not morning,
9 p.m.
at night.
Saying 9 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maybe he teaches math or all subjects.
Sir, usually he he teaches math and English, but he teaches all subjects.
Oh. And what about Labib? He has also a
Labib.
teacher.
Same, sir.
Same teacher teach you both. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is he your school teacher?
No, sir. He,
Is he a varsity student?
yes, sir.
Is he a varsity student?
No, sir.
Professionally teacher.
Yes, sir. Sir, he works in a Sarkari madrasa.
He works in a government madrasa.
Yes.
That's good, no problem. Okay. For doing better in English, can you listen to me clearly now?
Yes, sir.
For doing better in English, you have to try to speak yourself in English. What you do your normal one. Okay, as you are telling Bangla, so you have to take decision that I will speak English, then speak Bangla if I
English.
need.
Yes, sir.
If you do that, then you find some problems. That means word problems or sometimes grammatical problems. So when you face the problem that you don't know how to express the word or speech, then you can ask me or contact to dictionary for searching the word. That's way you can continue your learning. If you speak English, then you will improve very fast. Could you understand? Hello?